200. How much your coffee?
200 peso.
200 peso the coffee of Mark.
Welcome to my channel. Ayan, ang mama ko. First time niya sa aeroplano. Philippine Airlines ang sinakyan namin dyan. Yan. So, medyo pag first time ay nakakatakot. Ayan po ang itsura ng mama ko. Pero, masaya po kasi kasama mo ang mama mo at pina-experience mo sa kanya sumakay ng aeroplano. Ayan. Pagmasdan ang mga gagandang tanawin. Ayan, sunset. Yan yung paglubog ng araw kasi hapon na kami nakain dyan. Delayed ang flight namin ng kalahating oras. Yan sa Katiklan Airport. Ayan guys. So first time nakarating ng Katiklan Airport. Dyan kami nag-landing. Ayan guys. Tapos bumili siya ng souvenir wine. 1/4 po yan. At ang kanyang sombrero ng Boracay souvenir. Ayan guys. So naka 1/6 siya dyan. 1/8. Yan ang mother ko. Kinuha ko yung mga luggage sa baggage claim. After sa airport, ayan, halos 1 oras din ang aming travel papunta sa aming hotel na tutuluyan. Ayan guys. So napakanta na siya nung gabing yon. Sinulit ang gabi ng pagdating namin. Nandyan na rin ang aking mga pinsan, ang aking pinsan at kanyang asawa. Yan, si Kuya Jess. So nagbanding na agad kami. Yan si Ate LB. Vacation, Bicol to Boracay ang kanyang flight. Nauna sila ng maaga para explore doon. At kinaumagahan, ayan, nagano na kami, namili.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because on Saturday is my nephew's 7th birthday and my parents' wedding anniversary.
Oh, okay.
I have to be there, otherwise my mom will get mad.
I get that, yes. I have a mom.
Yeah, you know that.
Your mom really miss you, but you're for challenge sa mga biyahe pataas. Oh my God.
What beautiful ground. Well maintained.
May maintenance sila rito eh. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Yung nakakatakot dito pag di ka nakabuelo, taas ka talaga eh. Oh.
So you're only scared going down, not up? I know. Going up is more dangerous.
Yeah, that's why I'm afraid for the height.
Oh, there's the helicopter.
Ang chef ngayon, kasi tomorrow, rin sila, magano kaya sila yung ngayon naka-duty. Mamaya si Mark. Favorite niya pag nagkakamping ka, nagagawa talaga kang ganyan? Wow! Patikimin niya si Mark, buti na lang. O, doon na ako ulit sa kanya. Para anuhin ko siya. Gulat ako, hanap ako ng hanap. Oh! Enjoy your coffee time and swimming.
Yeah.
So I go there to swim also.
Yeah, you don't look like you're ready to swim.
It's okay this. The short, maybe it's okay this also. And later they said after lunch, they go to the beach. That's okay for you? Because that's the... So ito yung rooftop. Kasama kami ng susayin. Mark, ayan, si Mark. Nag-enjoy sa view. Relaxing, this is relaxing place. Kita mo yung tanaw, the beach. You look around the beach. Wow. You watching. This is video, not picture. But it's okay. Because the rain. Take a picture. Another one. That's the ate for particular. She assigned for cleaning. Very good book. This is company. Every time we have a book, they say. Pag may bata, ang ganda. Maganda dito mag-ano ka ng mga 1 linggo. May enjoy mo talaga. Tapos punta ka sa beach. Ano. What belly.
Palabas daw siya eh. Ikaw din po yung mapisita.
Excited.
1:30. Kung anong oras kayo bumaba ron, maghintay nyo na 1 oras.
Ah, okay.
in the night you see the golden bowl, they said we have. Magpo-viewers lang kayo dito. Why not clean?
Nice, warm.
Yeah.
Very warm.
But it's danger, this all.
Yeah, you have to watch, that's all. Just watch where you walk. That's beautiful out here.
Yeah. May nangunguha dun eh. May nangunguha. Ay, may naliligo. May naliligo na dun. May naliligo dun oh.
Kita ano?
Diyan yung inano ni Jessica, tinampok ni Jessica. So, na may gintong bangkang dumadaan dyan. Pero nangunguha daw yung dagat dyan. Boracay. Thank you. Boracay. Oh, Boracay. Damo, wala rin nyo. Damo, wala rin nyo. Oh, look, may same clothes color.
Yeah, close, eh?
Yeah, I have like that.
We'll have a drink and I can go to the bathroom.
Yeah, we should grab a drink.
Yeah. A little Mai Tai or Pina Colada.
What's Pina Colada?
Pina Colada is like a coconut drink.
Sige, manguha ka.
All day breakfast.
Pakamahal ang buko na yung 130.
Magkano rito?
130. Ang kapdayan nga lang o.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah. Oh.
We're having a good time, aren't you?
Si Mark mamaya ano ko na lang dyan, no? Pwede naman yung tayo na lang ako. Ay taking video para sa dalawang
Address.
yeah, I get the address already. Oh.
So nice. Oh, you're fine. Once you're in, you're good. You have to get in.
This na si Mark na gano'n. Right? 2 days, 2 times you're taking the true sister. Habang naman siya ka, paupo lang tayo sa gilid, tapos picture. Yan, may palas ka na. Ma, dali, sige. O sige, mamaya ka na. Kami muna. Kami lang muna, maya ka na. Kaya nga, parang hindi ka mahirapan. Tapos tuturuan kita kung paano magpipicture. Pag nakandun ako, pwede mong pipicture. Madyan ka na lang, sige, parang hindi ka mata. Picturean ko muna, sabi natin. Balik ka lang tayo kasi pupwesto na ako ha. Dito, hawak. Yan. Relax ka. Yan ay, mag-relax ka. Upo ka na, upo ka dito. Para di ka mahirapan. Yan, nandyan ha. Tapos pag nandun ako, yan. Kita kami ha. Ito lang pindutin mo. Ilang siya. Tanaw, mapicturean mo kami. Pindot ka lang ng pindot dito. Huwag mong gagawin ito kasi naka-baby. Sige. Ito ha, yan. Pindutin mo na. Asa lang. Pindot ka lang pindot. Pindot pa. Parang ganun. Picture pa na. O, ikot mo naman doon. Doon ka naman sa ano. Saan? Ganan. Tingnan. Nakaayok ko naman
naman dapat. Kasi kita yun, nakapili pa rin siya. O, lakad ka na dito para doon ka naman sa amin sa likod. Sige. Basta wag mo na tatanungin mo na. Upo ka na dyan. Kita yung dagat? Yuko mo para... Yuko. Ay! Gaya. Kita kami. Oo. Souvenir. Kita kami sa dagat? Oo. Parang sa dagat na kayo. Ano? Oras na lang ko lang. Picture mo kami ulit. Isa pa. Pwede na isa.
Sige.
Okay na, tapos ka na.
Kayo nga. Mag-ano na tayo?
Ayaw mo talaga?
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw na.
Mag-ano na lang ako shower.
Thank you.
Okay.
They should be here for 20 minutes.
Mag-shoot na tayo ng rubber shoes, ay, ng shoes na. Ay! Huwag na sa isa. Oh my God. Oh. Thank you. Kala ko nga, susunod pa ako sa iyo. Salamat na marami.
See you next year.
Sana. Pero mahal-mahal po.
For Christmas.
Yeah, thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Oh my God.
Iba pa yun. Pero wala pa siya nun.
Yan si Ante.
Hindi pandemic yun eh. 2020.
Sa kanya siguro siya.
Meron kang mag-iyak.
Passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Tagubilin para sa inyong maayos na paglabas. Sa sandaling tayo ay mabigyan ng pahintulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Lumapit.
Thank you, Kuya. We're here in the condominium of Parañaque.
Crimson.
So strange because I thought this is a small area because the way to get in here is too small. But now look, it's big community, right? Oh my God. Oh, we have seen. Oh, where's the pool?
Oh, relax.
So excited. Yeah. So excited to let me know. To searching the pool. Yeah, each building here have our own name. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. I want to buy here.
Too busy street.
Yeah. Big and, you know, quiet.
Yeah, pretty quiet.
I can't believe this is big here inside. But the pool, where's the pool? This is park, basketball court.
Here's the
Park.
park.
Yes.
So the pool will be probably down there.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe tennis court.
Yeah. Oh, we have a bazaar here. Very nice, huh? Convenience.
Okay, why you keep shoving me over the
I'm sorry because I'm walking here.
bumping into me?
Yeah, I'm sorry. This, what's the name of this? This is, maybe here, Han, pub house. Maybe this is the office? Can you ask the guard?
Oh,
No need, okay.
Okay, explore.
Yeah, explore, okay.
sometimes we'll find things.
This is the pool? Oh my God. Wow. Oh, maybe Gary saw this. Oh my God, it's very nice. 3 feet only this, oh.
This will be good. Yeah.
It's for the kids. Oh. That's good because we have our meters. So this is 3 feet. Only for the kids. Watch the kid carefully. Oh. We pay. Oh wow. It's a beautiful butterfly. Four butterfly on the pool. So they ask them, Han, if they allowing to invite the family. Okay. Yeah, just explore only. Oh, very nice. Yes. And how long or time? Oh, 4 feet. This is 4 feet. I like to swim here.
That was the whole idea.
Morning, I don't want cold lunch. I for the evening, I don't want that.